In a bustling city adorned with minarets and bustling bazaars, there lived a humble lantern maker named Farid. His lanterns were not just sources of light, they were crafted with love and adorned with verses from the Quran. Farid's lantern shop was known for its warm glow that spilled onto the cobblestone streets. One day, a weary traveler named Aisha entered the shop, seeking refuge from the world's chaos. As Aisha marveled at the lanterns, Farid approached with a kind smile. "Welcome, dear traveler. May the light of these lanterns bring peace to your heart." Aisha, touched by Farid's kindness, shared her struggles with him.
I seek a light to guide me through the darkness of my own doubts and fears.
"I have just the lantern for you," he said, presenting a unique lantern adorned with the verse, "Indeed, with hardship comes ease." As Aisha gazed at the lantern, Farid shared a tale etched in the intricate patterns of its glass. In a distant village, there lived a young girl named Layla. She faced the trials of life with unwavering faith, guided by the teachings of her wise grandmother. One day, Layla's village was struck by a drought, leaving the fields barren and the wells dry. The people were gripped by despair. In the midst of this, Layla's grandmother handed her a small lantern and spoke words of wisdom.
This lantern represents your faith, my dear. Let its light guide you through the darkest nights.
With the lantern in hand, Layla embarked on a journey to find water. Along the way, she encountered challenges and doubts, but the lantern's glow remained steadfast. As Layla reached the highest peak, she discovered a hidden spring that quenched the thirst of the entire village. Her grandmother's words echoed in her heart. Indeed, with hardship comes ease. Back in the lantern shop, Aisha was moved by the tale.
How can a simple lantern hold such profound wisdom?
As Aisha left the lantern shop, her heart felt lighter, illuminated by the wisdom she had gained. And so, in the heart of the city, Farid's lantern shop continued to shine, not just with physical light, but with the radiance of faith and the power to overcome life's hardships.